show y'all my headlight. That's a DeWALT 5 amp 20 volt. Goes to my DeWALT apparatuses. I have 4 of these batteries. I have 2 5s and 2 4s. I got this on an old railback headlight, which works great. Throws a good spot. This rascal right here, when it pops out, just like it would in a charger. You got a 5 amp battery with an LED bulb in it. That's a little LED right there. That's a 24 volt bulb. I'll show y'all the spot that's right on the road. Y'all look here. You see, that's a spot. That's what you call a spot. And that's what you want. Hunting at night, you want a spot. With me? This baby throws a good little spot out there. Just what you need. A spot, baby. What I'm talking about. Pig light. Thank y'all for watching. Pretty slick. Fused. 30 amp fuse right here. We made good joints on it. It's all ready to hunt, baby. Otaka. That's a real good setup. These little rascals are not that expensive. You can get them on Amazon. I bought 2, I forget, $12 maybe. Just clip on these batteries. Get you a 24 volt bulb. A little LED and it's on, baby. From the woods. At the shop. Otaka.